John, Force 1, the bike. Force 2, the car. Force 3 में क्या होगा?
पता नहीं अभी let's concentrate on Force 2. I like lifting things, so
Pun intended.
I'm a pickup truck, so I like lifting things. But just to add here, I've been a fan of Sonakshi's. I've been a very big fan of Abhinay since a long time. And I think we met Abhinay before Force even happened. And I wanted to meet him, and I chatted with him. I said, can we work together? And he said, yeah. And that was it. And he left on his motorcycle. And I like him because he rides a motorcycle also. So we really hit it off. And I think, honestly, the entire energy on this film, and barring a few, goof-ups, barring very few, probably one or two, the energy has honestly been very positive. And I think when it's very positive on a set, we hope that the outcome is also very positive.
Sonakshi, final question. Do you want to do any stunt which you possibly missed out? Is there something you missed out which you want to do it again?
Absolutely not. I think I got to do a lot more than I expected to do in this film. It's like everybody's been saying, bigger, better, and I have absolutely no complaints. Usually I would be like, in fact, John was saying the other day that there was this action sequence where I was not supposed to be as involved in the scene. I was supposed to be on the side protecting somebody, but when he saw the trailer for Akira, that's when we were shooting it, he said, no, make her do the action in this scene as well. So honestly, I got a lot more that I could ask for, and I'm so happy with the way that it's turned out.
John sir or Meenakshi ma'am.
Sonakshi.
Oh, Sonakshi ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
I am Bollywood Web TV from USA.
Wow.
तो अभी जो
अच्छा, USA में मैं मीनाक्षी हूँ.
अरे वाह, good. तो
Good one.
सर, बॉलीवुड वेब टीवी से मैं और यूएसए फैन की तरफ से आपको इस फिल्म के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और हिट होने के लिए बहुत बहुत हिट हुई आपकी फिल्म.
Thank you.
और आपसे मैं ये सर, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. हम मैम से भी और आपसे भी, आपने इस हर फिल्म में एक्शन तो किया ही है, और अभी भी एक्शन, ये फिल्म भी एक्शन वाली है, तो आपको ऐसा एक्शन करने में कितना कष्ट होता है?
नहीं, अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. इस फिल्म के दौरान एक सीक्वेंस जो आपने देखा, रूफ टॉप पे हम लोग एक्शन कर रहे थे, उसमें मेरा नी डैमेज हुआ. उसके बाद हंगरी में, जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे, 2 नी ऑपरेशंस की हमने वहाँ पे. और अभी भी मुझे याद है, जब भी मैं गाड़ी में बैठ रहा था, विपुल जी जो है एक्चुअली यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट माय लेग एंड पुट इट इन द कार, क्योंकि मैं हिल नहीं सका उस टाइम पे. और मुंबई में आके एक और ऑपरेशन किया मैंने, तो 3 नी सर्जरीज हुए मेरे. बट आई थिंक बाय द एंड ऑफ इट, आई थिंक द रिजल्ट वाज गुड फॉर द नी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर द फिल्म ऑल्सो. सब ठीक था, लेकिन एक्शन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट इट्स फन.
John, here towards your left. In Force, we saw you lifting the bike, and now we see you lifting the car. I remember during one of the promotional events, you had even picked bike, Are there any such plans for Force 2? And is it a conscious decision on your part to, include at least one such heavy scene in the movie?
I think Force is about power. And I think it was Abhinay and Vipul's decision to continue, the character of ACP Yashvardhan. And it was the way they set honestly, it was the way Abhinay set the entire scene up. The only input I had in lifting the car was how my posture looked, very honestly. So I give credit to him for really doing this. But I think it's important that Force stands for certain things. And I think what Abhinay has done very smartly in this film is not only has he got out the power element, but this film also has a fantastic story. When you see the trailer, it says dedicated to the heroes who lost their lives, and that's something we discussed. This is based actually on, if I may say so, Vipul, this is actually based on true events. So by the end of the film, you'll be shocked. So it's a lot, we were inspired by a lot of true events that we've put together. So there's a lot of credibility in the story. So I think, yes, to answer your question, it's great to show ACP Yashvardhan very powerful, but it's also important to have a good story.
Do we see you lifting the car, John? John?
जी वी वेरी प्राउड इनफैक्ट ये बहुत पहले करना चाहिए था हमें एलओसी की बात कर रहे हो आप जो स्पेसिफिक टारगेटेड ये हुआ आई थिंक इट वाज इट्स हाई टाइम वी रिस्पॉन्ड टू टेररिज्म वी एज अ कंट्री हम लोग बहुत ही टॉलरेंट है एंड आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम वी पुट अ फुट डाउन एंड वी शो व्हाट इंडिया कैन डू
Hi, John. John,
Gee, I'm in complete agreement with John.
you know, you are one of the very few producers who is bankrolling 3 back-to-back sequels. There is Force 2, followed by Commando, and then Namaste, England. So, what do you have to say about the culture of sequels in our industry?
Namaste England is not a sequel to Namaste London. We have clarified that long back. Yes, but there are films that you make, like Force. When we were making the first one, we felt that this is a character which is so strong that we can't just let it die. This character has to tell more stories. And that is how Force 2 took birth. We are taking that character forward. We are trying to tell a more important story. As Abhinay just said and John just said, that there are so many unsung heroes. We always talk about the heroes which are well known. There are certain heroes which country celebrates. But there are so many unsung heroes who give their ultimate sacrifice of their life for the country and nobody notices them. Their stories, their life is not noticed. While we were doing the research on the film, we came across so many of such stories and we decided to dedicate this film to those unsung heroes. So that is how the unsung hero thing came in. And to answer your question to why John lifted car and bike, when John lifted bike in the first one, there was some reporting done in media that this is only a trick photography and John has not done it. And we were not happy about it because we were not lying. And to his credit, to come in a press conference and lift a bike is actually not an actor's job, but he did it just to show that we don't lie. We are telling what we have done. So, and now it is continuing in this film with a car lifting sequence. So, yeah, so that's what it is. But about sequels, Force is the sequel that is very dear to all of us. And now, rest of the sequels we'll talk as we move along.
Sonakshi, Lipika here.
Hi.
In your first film, Dabang, you said "Thappad se dar nahi lagta," and you are really justifying it now with Akira and Force 2. So can we take the privilege of calling you or tagging you as action queen?
You must.
Elaborate a little. Did you know that it will be that phrase will be so truthfully showcasing your talent in action?
Honestly, I'm very fond of action films, which is why even in the past I've been a part of a lot of action films, be it Rowdy Rathod, Dabang 2, Son of Sardar. And, you know, I just enjoy watching it as a genre. And every time I would be a part of those films, I would always watch my heroes and be like, you know, when am I going to get to do this cool stuff? And that happened with Akira, and I couldn't be more thankful that it's carrying forward with a film like Force 2, and I really enjoy it, like I said. So I'm in a very good space, happy space. I will work hard to retain my tag that you have given me of this action queen, and I hope that I get to do more films like this as well in the future.
Avina?
As खामोश का क्या ओपिनियन है? खामोश? हाँ या वो बहुत खुश है वो तो पहले से ही जानते थे कि मैं कैसी हूँ और अब उन्हें स्क्रीन पर देखने को मिल रहा है तो वो बोल रहे हैं अब तुम्हारी असलियत बाहर निकल रही है एंड ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड
जॉन सर राशि बोल रहा हूँ म्यूज़िक इंडिया से इस साल आपकी जो भी फिल्में आई हैं ऑलमोस्ट सभी एक्शन फिल्में ही हैं तो क्या हम मान लें कि आपका जो रुझान है एक्शन फिल्मों की तरफ ज़्यादा हो गया है
नहीं नॉट एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि इसके बाद आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट कुछ काफ़ी डिसरप्टिव करने की सोच रहा हूँ एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू नॉट डिसरप्टिव So I don't want to do just action. मुझे action बहुत पसंद है. It's like second nature to me. I enjoy it. But I also like comedy. I love comedy. I love slapstick comedy especially. And I love all kinds of films and I go and watch all kinds of films. So.
Hello.
Hi, Sonakshi. This is, towards your right. Over here.
Hi,
center.
hi,
Yeah, hi.
yeah.
This is Shweta from Bollywood Nazar. I would like to ask you, आपने अकीरा में एक जो किरदार प्ले किया था और आप फोर्स में एक रॉ एजेंट का किरदार प्ले कर रही हैं, तो रॉ एजेंट बनने के लिए, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ी हमारे इसकी संस्था इंटेलिजेंस संस्था है, तो इसके लिए आपने ज़्यादा कितना आपको मेहनत करना पड़ा, कोई ट्रेनिंग ली आपने उनकी तरह रिसर्च करके, पूरी जो जर्नी थी आपकी रॉ एजेंट की?
एक्चुअली
मैं पूछना
ट्रेनिंग, मेरी मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स की ट्रेनिंग मुझे इस फिल्म में भी काम आई टू डू द एक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर. आई थिंक कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था और इतना इंट्रीगिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर था, विच इज़ वाई आई डिड द फिल्म एज वेल. क्योंकि ये एक लड़की है जो स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड है, उसका अपना ओपिनियन है, शी इज़ एन अल्फा इन हर सेल्फ, अपने आप को किसी और से कम नहीं समझती, एंड वो एक आदमी की दुनिया में अपना काम कर रही है, एंड शी इज़ डूइंग रियली वेल. सो दीज एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर I felt attracted me towards the film. And जो रॉ एजेंट बनना था, आई थिंक क्योंकि कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था, क्योंकि मैं अपने डायरेक्टर से बात करके उनसे समझना चाहती हूँ कि उनका क्या विजन है, वो कैसे पोर्ट्रे करना चाहते हैं इस कैरेक्टर को. उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की मेरी. अदर देन दैट, आई थिंक जो कपड़े होते हैं, जो जब शर्ट, पैंट, जैकेट, गन का होल्स्टर आ जाता है, आपकी चाल ही बदल जाती है. दैट एड्स अ लॉट टू द कैरेक्टर एज वेल. सो आई फील एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी वेल laid out for me to play this character, and I'm really happy that I got to do it.
Sonakshi, you're towards your left. Towards your left, here. Hi. You're playing a Pakistani journalist in your next movie, Noor.
But my next movie we'll talk about next time.
Yeah, the question is, now there has been a lot of objection raised over the inclusion of Pakistani actors in Bollywood movies. Do you think we should encourage the talent of Pakistani actors, or the ban is justified?
Honestly, I would not like to comment upon that right now, but all I can say is that I'm not playing a Pakistani journalist. The film is just based on a book which was written by a Pakistani author. It's been adapted to Mumbai, and now let us get back to Force 2.
John and Sonakshi, a question to you two here, towards your left. Yeah. This movie is somewhere down the line a tribute to all those brave soldiers who have laid their lives down for India. Every time there is a cross-border terrorism attack happening, and when soldiers lose their lives, we see a lot of statement of sympathy condemning those attacks from our own artists, but none from the Pakistani artists. So that has always been a bone of contention. Recently, Subhash Chandra Ji of Z said that he requested those Pakistani artists to condemn the attack without naming Pakistan, but they refused. So in this case, how do you look at it? Isn't that unfair on their part?
So, if I have to answer it, I just think it's important about what we do. We are not in a position to opinionate about what the others do or don't do. So, we can only speak for ourselves. Sonakshi can speak for whether she goes through the emotion, whether I go through the emotion, and what we express is solely our opinion. And I'm just very fortunate to be a part of the film industry, because I think we really go out there and we express our solidarity with not only our country, but with our soldiers, who I again say on record are the true heroes of this country.
Sonakshi, your point?
Yeah, no, I agree. This whether it gets carried forward or doesn't get carried forward, whether it's reaching us or not reaching us, we don't know. So we can only speak for ourselves and do our job, which is to stand by our own people. So that is what we are doing.
Well, what do you have to say for your own people, for the surgical strike soldiers के लिए आप लोग क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जो हमारी तरफ से एक कदम उठाया है इंडियन आर्मी ने, उसके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? So happy.
यही कहना चाहेंगे, फर्स्टली थैंक यू कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा कदम उठाया है. एंड लाइक जॉन सेड अर्लियर, दिस वाज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. वी हैव टू डील विद टेररिज्म, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट फाइनली it's happening. And we all, as citizens of this country, as people who live here and who love our country, we are all very, very thankful to them.
Just to add to what Sonakshi said, first of all, sir, इससे पहले जो आपने एक question पूछा था, just to a slight correction there. It's correct me if I'm wrong. It's not a story about Indian soldiers. हर country की एक covert कह सकते हैं covert team होती है, covert force होती है. अमेरिका में इस force को CIA के नाम से जाना जाता है. इंडिया में इसे Research and Analysis Wing कहते हैं, जिसका नाम है RAW. So this is a story about raw agents जो एक खुफिया या गुप्त operations undertake करते हैं, जिसके बारे में public को अक्सर पता नहीं लगता.
Sir, I said it's a tribute to the
Sure. So no, just for everyone, it's a story about raw, about what took place this morning. By our constitution, we are not an aggressive country, but in our history, it is written that if we are pushed to a limit which questions our freedom, then we must defend ourselves. And I think that it is a defensive act first and then an offensive act, and we're very proud, all of us.